Colley farm buildings build agricultural farm buildings, however they do other commercial buildings too. All of our buildings are bespoke buildings and they are designed in-house by our senior draftsmen, moved to our workshop for welding and fabrication, and then it's taken to site for erection and completion. We employ 30 staff, and within the 30 staff we've got 3 employees on apprenticeship schemes. So our first apprentice was Robert, who came as an apprentice draftsperson, and he is now in his 2nd year. We wanted to train somebody in-house for that role because it's the role that's specific to the company. We wanted to train him in the Colley way, so to speak.
Being an apprentice draftsman, basically started on the basics, so doing a lot of 2D cladding of buildings, a lot of 2D details for real jobs. Because I knew what I wanted to do eventually, I thought this was the best way to kickstart my career, and I just wanted to get on and do it. As an apprentice, you're doing something that you're passionate about.
The second apprentice is Jack Smith, and he's just in his 1st year, and he is our trainee site worker down the welding and fabrication route, so he will eventually do on-site welding.
I'm doing an apprenticeship in welding and fabrication. At the moment I'm working on site, making buildings like this one behind me. My apprenticeship also involves me working in the workshop, welding. When I left school I was unsure what I wanted to do because I had quite a lot of options. I made the decision to be an apprentice. I would recommend an apprenticeship because you get to learn all the skills of the job whilst you're young, and it makes you more of an independent person.
And the third person is myself, and I'm doing a HR apprenticeship to develop and upskill myself. Myself and the directors are strong advocates for apprenticeships because we understand that staying in education, as in A-levels, is not for everybody. It's not all about manual work. As I'm an example of that, it can be more of a professional development as well. For any organisation, they've got a good choice of what apprenticeship they can use for different staff, be it new or existing.